How to set wireless power sharing battery limit on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on battery. After, we scroll down, and then tap on wireless power sharing. Next, scroll down and then tap on battery limit. By default, this has been set to 30%, and it is also the lowest that you can go. You cannot go any lower than 30%. Now you can set it up to say 50%, so that you do not want your phone battery to go any lower than 50% while sharing your battery power. So select a battery limit and then tap on OK. And that's it. That is how you can set your wireless power sharing battery limit. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, once you have made the settings, you can then turn on power sharing, and then you can simply start to do a wireless power sharing. And here you can see it is now start to share battery power. It is charged now on this device. It's my phone is now charging. It will be 3 hours and 3 minutes until full. And that's it. So that is how you can set the limits for wireless power sharing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.